In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Squarespace landing page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to boost engagement, funnel traffic, or simply provide more streamlined information, a landing page can be a powerful tool for your website. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for a free trial to explore what Squarespace has to offer without any commitment. Once you're on the site, look for the Get Started button and give it a click. This kicks off the process of setting up your new landing page. Now that you're in the dashboard, you'll notice it's intuitively designed to help you easily create and manage your website content. From here, go ahead and select Website from the navigation options, and then click on Pages. This area is essentially the heart of your website, where you structure and bring your content to life. Within the Pages section, you'll see a category labeled Not Linked at the bottom. This area is for pages that you don't necessarily want in your main navigation, but still wish to have live. Click the plus button next to Not Linked. You will be given an option to create a new page. Here, you can choose between cover page and blank page. Selecting a cover page offers predefined styles that can make your job easier if you're after something quick and visually compelling. On the other hand, a blank page allows for complete customization. Once you've chosen the type of page that best fits your needs, it's time to add content. What you choose to display on your landing page is crucial, as it's often the first impression visitors will have of your brand. Think about including links to important sections of your site, such as your homepage or search page. A search bar can be invaluable for users looking to navigate directly to their interests. Remember to incorporate your branding elements thoughtfully, including your logo and signature color scheme, to ensure consistency with the rest of your site. When you're satisfied with the layout and content, don't forget the most important step: saving your work. Click on the Save button to ensure your changes are recorded. This way, you won't lose any hard work due to a browser crash or unexpected logout. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've crafted an engaging and functional Squarespace landing page. Landing pages are a fantastic way to capture visitor interest and direct them where you want them to go, ensuring they interact with your site in a meaningful way. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online presence.